Hello students, my name is Mr. Kiran Dhawale from Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Okay, today we discuss about neighboring group participation and also neighboring group participation, and it also known as NGP. Okay, so first we take one example. In case of neighboring group participation, suppose we carry out methyl tosylate and neomethyl tosylate as an example for getting some idea about the NGP, neighboring group participation. Okay, so here both attacking group and leaving group, both groups must be present at transdiaxial position, as like we can see in last lecture regarding elimination reaction. Okay, in this case also we require transdiaxial group. We require transdiaxial groups for the neighboring group participation. So which type of groups we can have as a transdiaxial? Both eliminating groups, and NGP means what? Neighboring group participation. So neighboring group which is present on the adjacent carbon atom, which is also present diaxially with the eliminating group. Okay, so we carry out one example, neomethyl tosylate. So we write first example neomethyl tosylate 170 times faster in acetic acid than methyl tosylate. Okay, so reaction of neomethyl tosylate and methyl tosylate. So we can carry out one reaction with acetic acid, okay, of neomethyl and methyl tosylate. So here we can see the rate of reaction of neomethyl tosylate is higher than that of methyl tosylate. So how it can possible? By using a planar structure, neomethyl tosylate. So what is the structure of neomethyl tosylate? Suppose this is methyl group, this is isopropyl, and suppose we have this is the group which is tosyl group, OTS. We can represent tosyl group by OTS, and that OTS is one of the bulkier substituent in this case. So that planar structure we want to convert into the chair conformation. So here we write neomethyl tosylate, and this neomethyl tosylate in chair conformation we already discussed that point in case of methyl and neomethyl chloride. So here first we put that isopropyl group is at the equatorial position, and also here we put that methyl group at equatorial alpha, and this OTS is adjacent to this isopropyl group, so that we have these two positions, but we choose this one, and this OTS is present at the axial position. So this is the actual conformation of this planar conformation, neomethyl tosylate. Now we go for a reaction. So here neighboring group participation is occur. Okay, so this OTS will first absorb a proton from acetic acid. So we write here H plus, that lone pair of this OTS will absorb or abstract this proton, and we get a product or intermediate like this, having OH, and here we write TS. Oxygen carries positive charge, here we write methyl. Then this is one of the bulkier group, as we can say earlier. This is bulkier, so that bulkier substituent is highly unstable on this chair, so that it will easily removed, but it requires some push from backside, so that it will easily removed from the upside or from the above the plane. Okay, so this hydrogen atom is easily participating in this reaction. So why that hydrogen is we chosen? Okay, so here another hydrogen is also present. Suppose this is H1 and this is H2 hydrogen. Two hydrogens are there, but we can choose only one. Why? Because both of these hydrogens can compete with each other, and at that time this hydrogen is one of the more acidic proton, so that it will easily participate as a NGP. So this hydrogen will attack on from back side of that bond, which is diaxially present, and this OTS will removed. Okay, so another reason for the choice of this H1 is we write here its intermediate product, and from that we can understood very easily why we can choose that proton, because we have such a type of intermediate case we write here, and this intermediate state have a positive charge, and that positive charge will delocalize on these three centers, two carbon atoms and one hydrogen. At that time we can say that a tertiary carbocation is more stable than that of secondary, so we choose H1. But when we can choose H2, at that time we have such a type of intermediate, but that intermediate contain only disubstituted or a secondary carbocation, so that secondary carbocation is somewhat unstable as compared to tertiary carbocation, so that this tertiary carbocation is more stable, and that's why H1 can very easily participate with the removal of this or as a NGP in this reaction. And after that, acetate ion will attack on the tertiary carbon atom, and this hydrogen will shift from tertiary to secondary. Okay, and we get here our final product. Okay, this is methyl, and here we write OAC, this is your final product in this case. So we can see here in this reaction, neomethyl tosylate having one of the bulkier substituent, which is tosyl, and which is good leaving group, okay, and that leaving group is present at axial position, so that this axial position and bulkier group, we can say here, this is the highly unstable condition for this type of rings. When any substituent which is bulkier and present at axial, at that time that case is highly unstable, highly energetic, so that this is a unstable condition. But when we choose or such type of oxygen carries positive charge, at that time it will easily removed by some backside attack of NGP or neighboring group participation have very important role such type of cases, okay. So we get here this this type of cyclic intermediate, and that intermediate can stabilize by a rotation of this positive charge on these three centers, 2 carbon and 1 hydrogen atom, and in this case also tertiary carbocation we have, so that tertiary carbocation is somewhat stable, so that we choose here H1 as a NGP, and in last case attack of acetate ion on that tertiary carbon, so that we get here this type of product by shifting hydrogen from tertiary to secondary carbon atom. And now another part of this reaction is methyl tosylate. Another part of this reaction is methyl tosylate. So here we choose methyl tosylate. We wipe only neo, and here this tosyl group is present at the alpha side, so I draw that bond like dotted bond, and these two groups are intact on its position, okay. So here we choose, so this dotted bond can show the substituent must be present at the alpha equatorial OTS, okay. Now in this case there is no substituent, bulkier substituent which is good leaving group, but that substituent is not present on axial position, so that substituent or that leaving group does not fulfill our elimination requirement for such type of cases. So you must know about the elimination requirement. So this molecule or this group doesn't fulfill such type of stereoelectronic requirement for elimination. So here we write, and this type of molecule doesn't carry out by using NGP, so it give a product in case of acetic acid by only SN1 reaction, okay. So here we have only SN1 product. So first, in case of SN1 reaction, that SN1 reaction contain, first step is generation of carbocation, and another case attack of nucleophile. So generation of formation of carbocation is carried out in first step, and that first step is very slow step. There is no neighboring group participation, so that this step is very slow, okay. And here we get a product here we write minus of OTS, tosyl group is leaved. Why? Because this is one of the bulkier substituent, and after some heating or by taking some drastic conditions. That step is very slow, we earlier say. Okay, and here carbocation formation is there. Carbocation which is somewhat unstable. Why? Because this is secondary carbocation. And then last step, attack of nucleophile on this positive charge, and that step is somewhat fastest, and we get here a simple product like this. And in this case, in second case, in methyl tosylate case, we write here no NGP, and so that, or by according to this oral explanation, we can say that neomethyl tosylate have faster rate in this reaction. Why? Because there is neighboring group participation is possible, but the methyl chloride doesn't have such a type of case, having there is no NGP is possible. That's why its rate is much slower, and we get a product from neomethyl chloride 170 times more faster. Okay, so I hope you understood this point, neighboring group participation. Okay, thank you.